Welcome, in this quick and easy tutorial I'll be showing you how to download apps on a Lenovo laptop. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and find Microsoft Store. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and go to the top, click on your profile or the profile icon, click on it and just make sure to log in with your Microsoft account. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and go to apps right here. Or if you want to download games, go ahead and do so. Click on games or themes. All right. So for example, we have here apps. Let's say you can't find the app that you wanted to install right here. For example, TikTok. Okay. Got to use the search bar and find TikTok. Hit on enter. And you'll be able to see the search results right here. Just like this one, you can go ahead and click on TikTok. And then just click on install. All right. Wait for the process to finish. And while it downloads and installs, you can go ahead and download whatever you want right here. For example, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, or whatever. And then once that's done, you can click on open from here, or you can go ahead and use your search bar and find TikTok, just like so. And just click on it. And once done, just log in with your account and you should be good to go. Now, another way to download some apps is that you can go ahead and use your browser. It could be Google Chrome or Edge, okay? So if this is your first time you've opened up your computer, Microsoft Edge will be available. I'll just click on it, wait for it to open, and then at the top, you're gonna wanna find the app that you wanted to download. Maybe you would like to download OBS to record your screen. So just type down OBS, click on OBS link, and then download the installer from here. Here we have it. Okay, just wait for the download process to finish, and to install it, all you gotta do is just click on the installer once this is done. Okay, I'm gonna show you right here. So just click on it, just like so, and then continue with the installation process. Okay, maybe you'd like to download Discord. So find Discord right here, and then find the download button, and then download it. Okay. Wait for it and then just click on it once the download process is done to begin the installation process. And that's just how easy it is to download apps on a Lenovo laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.